Hey there, fellow designers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly exciting for you. We're diving into the world of textures and unveiling the must of 10 free texture websites that will take your designs to new heights. So, let's get started. Our first stop on this exciting texture-filled journey is none other than SketchUp Texture Club. This website caters specifically to SketchUp users, providing a vast collection of high-quality textures. With categories like wood, metal, fabric, and more, you'll find textures suitable for a wide range of design styles. SketchUp Texture Club ensures that their textures seamlessly integrate with SketchUp models, allowing for effortless application and realistic visualization. Their textures come in various resolutions, giving you the flexibility to choose the level of detail you need for your project. Whether you're working on architectural designs, interior rendering, or product visualizations, the SketchUp Texture Club is a valuable resource to enhance your SketchUp workflow. Moving on to our second entry, we have CG Bookcase. This website offers a wide variety of high-quality textures for designers. From materials like wood, stone, and concrete to patterns and surfaces, CG Bookcase has an extensive library to choose from. They provide high-resolution textures that are perfect for architectural renderings, 3D modeling, and game development. The website also offers a convenient search feature, allowing you to find textures based on specific categories or keywords. CG Bookcase is a reliable resource for finding realistic and visually appealing textures for your design project. Leonardo is an AI-powered design assistant that can generate stunning textures based on your specifications. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, Leonardo can understand your design preferences and generate high-quality textures that align with your vision. Whether you're looking for a specific texture style or need inspiration, Leonardo's intuitive interface and intelligent algorithms make it a valuable tool in your design process. With Leonardo, you can save time and effort by instantly generating textures that match your design requirements. Whether you're working on digital art, graphic design, or 3D modeling, Leonardo is an excellent companion for your creative journey. Polycam Material Generator is a unique resource where you can create your own custom materials and textures. It's a game changer for those seeking personalized textures. With Polycam, you can experiment with different parameters such as color, roughness, and metallic properties to generate unique textures that fit your specific project requirement. This level of customization allows you to truly unleash your creativity and achieve one-of-a-kind designs. Polycam also offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy to tweak and refine your textures. Freepik isn't just for vectors. They also offer a fantastic collection of free textures. Explore their texture section to find a variety of styles and themes. From vintage textures to modern patterns, Freepik has a wide range of options to suit any design style. Each texture is accompanied by a preview image, making it easy to find the perfect texture that aligns with your creative vision. Freepik also provides the option to customize and edit texture, allowing you to tailor them to your specific design needs. With their extensive collection and versatile customization options, Freepik is a valuable resource for designers. If you're after high-quality PBR textures, look no further than AmbientCG. Their collection of realistic textures will add that extra touch of authenticity to your design. With a focus on physically based rendering, AmbientCG offers textures that accurately simulate real-world materials, such as metals, fabrics, and leathers. Their textures are meticulously crafted to ensure consistency in lighting and shading, resulting in stunning visuals. Whether you're working on game development, virtual reality, or architectural visualizations, AmbientCG's PBR textures will bring a new level of realism to your projects. Polyhaven is another gem in our list. They offer an extensive selection of textures that are completely free. From organic materials to architectural surfaces, you'll find it all here. Polyhaven takes pride in providing high-resolution textures with excellent detail, allowing you to bring your designs to life. The website is user-friendly, allowing you to easily navigate and find the perfect texture for your specific project. Each texture on Polyhaven is carefully crafted and optimized for realism, making them ideal for 3D visualizations and architectural renderings. With their diverse collection and attention to detail, Polyhaven is a must-have resource for designers looking for seamless and tillable textures. WithPoly is the place to go. Their collection of textures is carefully curated, making it a fantastic resource for your design project. From beautifully textured fabrics to stunning natural elements, WithPoly provides a seamless experience by offering textures that seamlessly blend together without visible seams or repetition. This ensures your designs have a cohesive and professional look. With their user-friendly website, you can easily browse through their extensive collection and find the perfect texture for your project. Whether you're working on 3D modeling, game development, or graphic design, WithPoly's seamless textures will save you valuable time and effort. Next up, we have ShareTextures. This website offers a wide range of textures, from nature-inspired to man-made, all available for free download. Whether you're looking for seamless patterns, grunge textures, or abstract designs, ShareTextures has you covered. They even provide detailed information about the resolution and file format of each texture, ensuring you can easily incorporate them into your workflow. ShareTextures also features a user-friendly interface, allowing you to browse and search for textures with ease. With their vast collection and easy accessibility, ShareTextures is a go-to resource for designers of all levels. Last but not least is one and only Quixel MegaScans. Brace yourself, because this website is a true powerhouse when it comes to textures. Quixel MegaScans boasts an expansive library that houses an astounding collection of high-quality surface texture, making it an absolute must-have for designers of all disciplines. Whether you're working on gaming environments, architectural visualizations, or product designs, Quixel MegaScans is a game changer. Now, let me tell you what sets Quixel MegaScans apart from the rest. Their textures are not just digitally created, they are meticulously scanned from real-world material, ensuring an unparalleled level of realism and detail in your designs. With Quixel's cutting-edge scanning technology, you can practically feel the texture on your screen. Wood, stone, concrete, fabrics, metals, foliage, you name it, they have it. Quixel MegaScans covers a wide range of organic and inorganic materials, giving you limitless options to bring your creative vision to life. Their collection includes everything from weathered and aged surfaces to pristine and polished materials. But wait, it gets even better. Quixel MegaScans offers a dedicated section for free texture, making it accessible to designers on any budget. Yes, you heard that right, free textures that don't compromise on quality. This means you can unleash your creativity without worrying about breaking the bank. Quixel MegaScans takes user experience to the next level with their intuitive interface. You can easily navigate through their vast library, filter textures based on your requirements, and even preview them before downloading. Trust me, once you explore their library of textures, you'll never look back. So, don't miss out on the incredible opportunity to enhance your designs with Quixel MegaScans. Head over to their website, dive into their world of textures, and witness the transformation of your projects. Your designs will never be the same again. And there you have it, our top 10 must-have free texture websites for designers. Each of these websites offers a unique collection of textures that will elevate your designs to new heights. From Quixel MegaScans to SketchUp Texture Club, these resources provide an array of options to suit your creative needs. Be sure to check out the description below for links to all the websites mentioned. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting design content. Happy designing!